An import license is a document that is issued by national governments that gives a person authorization to import goods into a country. The permit allows an importer to bring in a specified amount of a product within a specific amount of time. The United States is one of the only countries that doesn't require an import license for general goods. However, if you plan to receive goods such as weapons, pornographic materials, foods or tobacco, an import license is required. Also, the goods must meet the import requirements of U.S. Customs. If an import license is needed, it is crucial to have one. Otherwise, goods will not be allowed to enter the receiving country. The cargo has a good chance of being confiscated or returned by customs. It may be difficult to determine whether you need a permit or not, but it is essential that you find out. Establishing a good working relationship with your supplier is a good business move. Since suppliers are ultimately responsible for compliance with national regulations, they would know whether an import license is needed. Also, most shipping companies such as UPS or FedEx will know the requirements for each type of import. They have a broad knowledge of import license requirements. Determining what type of product you will be importing and the quantity of the product will determine if you need an import license. Different products are subject to different types of regulations for each country. Sometimes, importing certain products may not require a license but simply government authorization. Regardless, there is still the proper paperwork that needs to be done. Checking with government agencies that regulate imports into the country can help you determine whether an import license is required for your specific product. Also, there may be tariffs or duties that need to be paid depending on the type of product and the exporting country. Duties fees are determined by how much you pay for the product. The Food and Drug Administrations along with the United States Customs and Border Control can help in assisting a business or person in determining whether an import license is needed. By contacting these agencies, you can familiarize yourself with import regulations and laws. The United States Customs and Border Control will help in determining license details, whether a license is required for the product, assign an importer number and the value of the product for duty specifications and fees. You will need an import number. Your tax identification number can be used for import purposes if you already own a business. It may be a good idea to contact a professional in the import business such as a customs broker when starting out. This kind of service can help a business get started and become familiar with international imports and can also assist in obtaining an import license. Having this professional help will assist in ensuring your products are accepted through customs without being confiscated or returned.